In this tutorial, we'll see how to use Clip Studio Paint 3D models. Imagine you have a scene already drawn in perspective, and you want to add people that match the scene's perspective. Here's how. Go to Window, Material, Entire Body. Under the 3D section, choose a body type. Clip Studio Paint comes preloaded with a man and a woman model, but you can download more from the Clip Studio Asset library. Select the layer containing your perspective ruler, click on the model you want to add, and click the Paste Into button at the bottom of the Material panel. The model might appear too small or too large, but this can be easily adjusted. In the Subtool Detail panel, go to the Camera section and hit Center Object. Use the 3D tools above the model to move it into place. And with the 3D layer still selected, go to the Subtool Detail panel and click the Body Shape category. And check Adjust Head to Body Ratio with height and adjust the size of your model as needed. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.